What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mini back with another YouTube video, and then today we're going to be talking about how to use this time frame to be able to execute on trades. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you guys what I did. So on SGBX today, there was a 50% run from open all the way to highs. And I was able to catch SGBX here at 304 from my key level all the way up to 340. All right. So I want to show you guys how I did it. We took 2 rounds on this trade, but we'll go over the next round later. So basically what I do to get my key levels is usually I go to the larger time frame. So I'll go to the 10 minute, the 15 minute, but the best time frames to use to get bigger key levels is the daily and the weekly. All right. So what I did was I went to the daily chart and I looked for key levels. All right. So at the time we were up here like 280s. All right. So I looked for key levels that, hey, if we come down to this low, I would be interested, right? If we come down to this low, I'd be interested. So I see this level right here. I'm like, okay, well, we have a nice low here at 250. Let me write that. Let me draw that out. And then we have also this high right here that we can flip into support. So first we need basically this is what I want to see. I want to see 250 crack, reclaim, breakout 260, reclaim for a move back up, to next resistance levels. Right here, right here. All right, so this is the kind of plan that I would be looking for. And that's exactly what happened here. That is exactly what happened here. So let's go to the smaller time frame and see how it played out. All right, so you guys can see on SGBX, let's go to the 1 minute. We can see we cracked below the 250, exactly what we wanted on that daily time frame, right? And then we reclaimed. We pulled back into this 260 level, so we grab liquidity below support, right? We make a pop, massive move to the upside. And then we pull back into old resistance on the daily. Remember, 260 was old resistance on the daily. So we grab liquidity below 250, grab stop losses, boom. Pull back into 260, old resistance, and then we take that trade. All right, we look for that entry. Now, I did not take this exact trade because I was doing some other things. I was looking at APVO, in which we traded that was a nice trade as well. But SGBX was my main focus, so I was looking for a re-entry. So at the time when I was looking for a re-entry, the trade at the time was at 850, so 950. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you exactly 950. So 950 was right here. Now, at the time, I don't have any key levels, right? The main key levels that I have are these support levels, and then I have these resistance levels marked out, just this 340, okay, at the time. So then I go back to the daily. I'm like, okay, let me look for another level in between these levels. So if we do hold, then I'll look for an entry, right? So basically what I look for was another high, right? I'll look for another high. So because we're using this candle low, all right, I'm like, okay, well, either we use this candle high, the same exact candle, or something right below it. So the concept below 250, right? What did we look for? We look for a break below 250, hit all the stop losses, right? And then start to curl back up, pull back, and boom. That's market structure, okay? So same thing on here on SGBX. Close to that high, what I'm looking for is this low right here. This low. I'm looking to crack below this low. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking to crack below this low. Oh, crack below. And then make that move up, okay? Because it's the same thing. We hit stop losses under previous support, and then we make that move up. So that's kind of how exactly I wanted to play out, and it did, right? So there's 282. We cracked below it, dump down, dump back down. And then I took that entry here, sorry, right here, this one. Crack below it, dump down, and then boom, all the way back up. All right, so let's look at it on the 1 minute. If you see it on the 1 minute, we crack below, take that entry here at 50 or 296, and then boom, all the way back up, right? This is why you have to be quick as well. But the second trade was even better, right? The second trade from 285, right, at 935. So let's check that one out. This was the one that I was talking about in the 5 minute. So remember how we were talking about a candle close below this 282 level, simply because we have support here on the daily, right? So same thing on the 250, that's what we look for, crack below, grab liquidity, move to the upside. On 282, I'm looking for a crack below, move to the upside. That's exactly what happened here. We cracked below, all right, and then we make it that move up. So 935, so 1035 right here. And guys can see I added at 285. All right, 285, I took that position. Now I'm looking for that position because we reclaimed here, right? We completely hit stop losses. That's exactly what we want to see. All right, this is exactly what we want to see. Boom, complete reclaim of support, and then take that entry here. Add dips along the way, 282s, and then 308 was my first scale, and then we made that move all the way up to 340. All right, so that was a perfect trade. So this is how I'm using the daily time frame, right? Use the daily time frame to find the low, use the daily time frame to find the high, use the daily time frame to find intraday levels. And that's exactly how I took this trade, multiple trades as well. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, how to use the daily time frame, how to use it correlated with intraday 1 and 5 minute charts, and how I'm trading. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe, drop a like, comment what you guys want to see next. And if you want to trade with me live every single day for free, check out the top link in the description. You guys have a 7-day free trial to come check it out. Other than that, it's been Minnie. Peace out.